It's really quite easy to calculate future value in Microsoft Excel. I've created a column with some labels. Present value is in column A, cell A1, then interest, the periods are compounding periods in the future value. Those are the labels. And I'll go into cell B1 and I'll put in my original starting amount, which will be $1,000. Go down to the interest rate. I can enter 10% as 10 with a percent sign. I don't want the number 10, and if I put in 10%, Excel understands what I mean. Number of compounding periods, let's look at 2 years. And now we have to calculate the future value. So I'm going to go up to the equation bar and I'm going to click Insert Function, and I'm going to click on Financial Functions, and I'm going to look for future. That's good enough of a search term, and FV is what I'm after, the future value of an investment based on periodic constant payments and a constant interest rate. So I'll click OK. Now Excel wants to know which cell has the rate. That is, of course, the interest. It wants to know the number of periods. We're looking at 2. And it wants to know the payment. Now we don't need to worry about the payment. We're actually solving for future value using present value. So the present value that we'll enter is $1,000. And you'll see that Excel solves the future value and puts in $1,210. Now it shows it in red because it is assuming that we're making payments and that we're going to pay an amount equal to a present value of $1,000. However, we know what it really means, and that's our answer, $1,210. Now if you wanted, you could put a negative sign in front of the future value and get that as a positive number.